Good morning, friends. Welcome to another insightful session in our Principles of Management lecture series. I am Professor Dr. D.V.R. Murthy, PhD in Management, and in this Module 6, we will explore one of the most impactful and practical concepts in modern management, Management by Objectives, MBO, brought to you by our channel B School, Dr. D.V. Ramana, PhD official, an initiative of Ramana Foundation, Hyderabad. In this video podcast, we will discover how MBO transforms vague goals into clear, measurable results, aligns teams with organizational priorities, and empowers individuals through participation and performance tracking. We will walk through real-world examples and powerful case studies to show how MBO drives accountability, boosts productivity, and builds a performance-driven culture. So stay with us till the end. This is a module uh, every aspiring manager must understand to lead effectively. Management by objectives. What this module covers. It covers 1. Concept and evolution of MBO, 2. Key features of MBO, 3. Process of MBO, 4. Benefits and challenges of MBO, and real-life examples and case studies, goal-oriented approach to management. The learning objectives of this module. By the end of this module, the learners will 1. Understand the concept and philosophy behind MBO. 2. Learn the steps involved in implementing MBO. Identification of the advantages and limitations of MBO, and analyze real-world applications and results of MBO in organizations. The concept and evolution of management by objectives, MBO. MBO is a systematic and organized approach that allows management to focus on achievable goals and to attain the best possible results from available resources. The origin is when it is introduced by Peter Drucker in 1954 in his work, The Practice of Management. The philosophy is that it is aligning individual and organizational objectives for mutual benefit. The key features of management by objectives. It's a participative goal-setting approach, and it is clearly defined objectives. It is the performance evaluation based on objectives and continuous feedback and participation, and the emphasis is on results, not activities. So what's the process of management by objectives? Setting organizational objectives, cascading objectives to employees down the line, encouraging participation in goal setting by all employees, monitoring the progress of everybody, evaluating performance of all, providing feedback for necessary corrections, and rewarding performance of all. Let's take a real life example. Company Infosys. The scenario is Infosys implemented management by objectives by aligning individual key performance indicators with the company's strategic objectives. So the outcome is increased accountability and productivity across departments. Let's take a case study of HP, Hewlett Packard. The background is HP implemented MBO in the year 1960s to streamline performance management. The method they have followed is all the employees from top managers to junior staff participated in goal setting. The result is enhanced communication, clarity of goals, and improved performance evaluation. So what are the benefits of management by objectives? enhanced clarity of roles and responsibilities, increased motivation and commitment from employees, improved communication between managers and teams, objective performance appraisals, and better alignment of personal and organizational goals. So what are the challenges of MBO? It's time consuming and paperwork will be very heavy, may overlook qualitative and intangible aspects, and risk of rigidity and tunnel vision, and it requires constant monitoring and effective leadership. If you look at the distinctions between MBO and traditional management, this table explains clearly. We're talking about the first column is an aspect on which MBO vis-a-vis traditional management practice is distinguished. The second column is about MBA, and MBO, and the third column is about traditional management. The aspect goal setting. MBO is participative, traditional management is top-down. The focus, MBO is results, and traditional management is processes. Third, on aspect evaluation, MBO is based on objectives, traditional management based on activities. The aspect is about communication. MBO is a two-way process and traditional management is one-way process. So when and where to use MBO? Ideal for organizations aiming for measurable growth, best used in performance-driven cultures, and suitable in project-based and innovation-oriented industries. And the key learnings here are MBO fosters accountability, engagement, and strategic alignment. It transforms traditional roles into results-driven responsibilities. Success depends on strong leadership, communication, and follow-through. Thank you for watching this module on management by objectives. We have seen just now how MBO can revolutionize managerial effectiveness by fostering clarity, collaboration, and control in every department. If you found this content valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more professionally crafted lessons in management and leadership. Join me in the next module 6, where we will dive into structure and power of organizing for success. Until then, stay focused, stay inspired, and keep managing with purpose. This is Professor Dr. D.V.R. Murthy, PhD Management, signing off. All the best. Thank you and good luck.